Hey, it's Jim Paar here, where we teach you and give you value to really build an online business. And what we do is we give you ideas to come out of the box, out of your 9-to-5 job and really replace your income. So today we're going to be talking about some exceptional ways to build a Shopify store. And really we're going into and dialing into some Shopify stores, some of the top Shopify stores that are on the market right now. Comment below, leave your comment below. I have a worksheet. It's called the Invisible Knowledge Sheet, and it really builds out your passion, builds out your ideas to help you build a Shopify store that's unique with your passions behind it. And so that's what I do a lot of my coaching on, is I help you pull those passions out, build something sustainable online, and start making money within 30 days. But let's look at a few stores here. I've got about 20 stores popped up. A couple of these are friends of mine, clients of ours. And but you can see right away we have one, Haas London. And these are all Shopify stores. And the whole idea of showing these to you is really to inspire you as an entrepreneur to start your online business and take the stroll down the digital aisles. And note that these stores are getting right. They got the company logo, they're beautiful product photography, great visual branding. They're clearly defined navigational elements and simple use-friendly layouts. So that is the key, because you're going to see a lot of clean layouts on this. So this company, obviously, House does furniture and home goods. They're an e-tailer, sleek, modern Shopify store. So if we look at this and go down, it's very clean, obviously very modern. But look at what we can see here right away. This company is based in London, so they're going off of euros. Their main marketplace is there, but they've got furniture, lighting, very easily navigatable when you're looking at the website. Here's another one called Critical Slide Society. It's Australian-based company that sells apparel, simple, easy to navigate. It's got a plain white background, so it emphasizes on the market of products that they have here. So as you can see, it's very, very simple, very clean. These are easy shots to take. And so the one thing is, stay unique to who you are. Don't try to copy other people. Do something that's your own thing and become, your own brand or your own thing. Yeah, there's a lot of people that do drop shipping, and you can do that. Here's another one called Studio Proper. So this is a technology company. They do minimal, simple gadgets like leather-bound iPhone cases and different things like that. So it's very clean. Again, white background. This is Luxe. Now, all these sites, they have a pop-up like that. I closed the other ones. But once you get in there, they have something that pops up 20% off on your first order over $200. So, in other words, they're trying to get you to spend $200, free shipping, and you just join there, and then they send you a coupon code. Luxe, this award-winning site in 2018. They won a design award, but it's very easy to go around, and it looks like they got 2019 also. But as you go through here, this is their Instagram page. So it's good if you're doing a strong Instagram page for your product and brand to bring it into your Shopify store and make sure it's connected with all your social media. This is a very clean, simple site here. But if we click on shop, we'll go in here. They've got a couple of models. Looks like 2 models that they use, or maybe 3, but very simplified. Here's another one called the Quadlock. So this is Again, we've got a pop-up. You want to collect people's emails. You want to get an email list going, because once you get that email list going, then you can start marketing other products to your audience. And Shopify is very good at that. So they're just selling one gadget. This is just a lock device, twist and lock and go. So it's been featured. It's obviously their product. It doesn't appear to be a drop shipped item. It could be something that they're manufacturing. And Shopify stores really depend. Just because it's Shopify doesn't mean it's drop ship. A lot of manufacturers use Shopify because it's an easy platform. Here's another one, the Modern Shop. So obviously it is what it says, minimalist website, very, very clean. They have a rewards program. So if you click on that, pops up, join and become a member. So just plugins that they put in. Here's another one called Barrel Band. This is somebody I know. Sign up, receive 10% off on the Barrel Band. So these guys make wedding bands or bands for your hand out of a shotgun barrel. It's very unique. You can't buy this stuff online. Or I should say you can't buy it on Amazon. That's the whole purpose, is Amazon is dominating the market. So you want to have something that is unique that they have to come to you and buy. This store does about $35,000 a month in sales. Here's another one called Brilliant, super, super clean. This is, basically, it looks like it does bike stuff. So if we go here and look at the different bicycles, that is what it is, L-Train. So they manufacture a couple different bikes. Classic rider. And very clean. Here's another one called the Candy Factory. Ladies, men's, clothing, leggings. This is a simple, I can tell by the text, this is a simple layout. But see how unique this stuff is? They've got, undergarments that are the big craze is socks right now. So pretty cool stuff. Very unique, based out of Toronto. Another company, and you can see here, subscribe to the newsletter, discounts and specials, and you can get them in for a monthly program. Try to get them in on a regular passive income. So drink coffee. You'll notice with every one of these sites, they're super clean, great artwork, and so that's really what you want to do. 18 karat wholesale. These are items made out of 18 karat, I would imagine. So let's see the seating. Let it load. It's kind of a slow load time, and I'm not sure why it's not popping up there. But I would question this site. But supposedly this site has a collection selling wholesale exposure. So it looks like in order to be a part of this, you have to put in your email login, apply for wholesale. And so you can't even see their products, which is kind of lame. Let's look at their Instagram page real quick. Because I would imagine on Instagram they have their products on here. So that's what they are. They're a wholesaler for these products. Here's another one, Luxe hair. Basically, thicker, longer hair in no time, just clip in. This is pretty popular right now. I would recommend a Instagram page to go with this because you want to promote it and drive people to your website. So if you can do videos and different things, have a YouTube channel set up. I bet these people do have a YouTube. And sure enough, if we go to their YouTube, it's probably going to be videos on the hair. So hair hacks, hair scarves, that kind of stuff. So we'll go through a few more here. Binko, another one, very clean look, does jewelry. And it looks like they're pretty simple of what they've got. They only have a few things. You don't have to be complicated, so just remember that. Here's another one. Uppercase, great title. Subscription renewal starting with a certain price. So it's an encyclopedia of inspiration. Very unique. You're not going to find that anywhere else. Unconditional. Now this is just a stylish clothing, which could be for a designer, that wants to create his own or her own website for their clothing that they're doing. Another one, Hunt Denim. And what's the uniqueness of this? It is a denim Shopify store, basically men's denim, so 5 fits. And they've got just a lot of few different cuts here, slim, skinny, whatever. And obviously they're doing very well because this is one of the top rated Shopify stores. And this is, as you can see, is overseas, and because it's used in euros. Again, we've got a nice pop-up. A lot of people use 10 or 20% when you sign up. So this is Tropical House. Nice, fresh look. And they've got different stores also. So when you go after Shopify and do a Shopify store, keep it clean. Don't get junky. Don't get, pack things in. Just keep it super, super clean. You can see this is very clean products, very simple. And you're not going to find this kind of stuff on Amazon. And you just want to remember, if anybody can go to Amazon and get it, they're going to go to Amazon and get it. Here's another store here. So this is Shop Apparel, and very simple stuff, but people like this kind of stuff. And the big thing that this would be good on to market on is Pinterest and in your Instagram. Let's look at one more here. Email the charts. These are different charts, prints, scratch offs, different things like that. So people might be into charts. Game of Thrones, easy target. So you can target people at Game of Thrones. Definitely easy to market these type of products on Facebook and Instagram. So this just gives you some ideas, inspires you to really go out there, build a Shopify store. And remember that if you're looking for that invisible knowledge sheet, you'd have to provide me your email address. You could go to jimpar.com and request it there. But just get out there, start building something, and at the very least, build a blog. Get some traffic coming in on the blog, and the blog can promote your Shopify store. So thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video, and hit that bell notification if you want other Shopify videos.